Hey guys, what's up? It's me again. I just got home from work and I throughout the day was wanting to do something something not what I normally do, and so I decided that I wanted to do an e-girl tutorial. So that's what we're gonna try to do today. We're gonna try to turn this into an e-girl. This should be fun. So I actually thought of this morning and I was like trying to scroll through like Pinterest and Instagram to try and find something that I could like reference. I was trying to figure out what I wanted to do. I'm like looking at all the pictures. I'm like, damn, this is like what scene would have been back when I was like in high school. That makes me sound really old. So I think I found some inspirational pictures. We're just gonna have a go at this. We're just gonna try to do it. Okay, so I think I found a book that I want to try and attempt. So let's get started. I don't know why I whispered that. I'm in a weird little setup right now because I'm in my room and not my office. So I don't know what to do. We're just gonna try this. I don't know if I should do my face makeup first. I haven't worn face makeup in a long time. I'm not going out like this. I'm gonna use my No Problem primer. Do you care? Okay. Maybe I should start with my eye makeup and then work my way around. I don't know, is that the right thing to do? I feel like, what if I fuck up around my eyeballs? You know what? We'll do the concealer first. I don't know how to do makeup. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing right now. Do you care if I tell you what I'm using? I don't know if you do. Okay. Ooh. I hope this is the right color. It's been a while since I've worn makeup. Oh, that's a lot. Why did I do that? Oh my god. I broke it on my chin, which is just wonderful. Absolutely wonderful. I love that for me. Do you see how orange that is? It looks orange in my mirror. And the viewfinder doesn't look that bad, but yeah, we'll see. I can't see to save my fucking life. Okay, maybe I should have you know what? It doesn't matter. It doesn't fucking matter, Amanda. Why am I being so mean to myself right now? It's so aggressive. That's a look. Hello, guys. Hi, it's Amanda. I had to go grab my brushes. My brushes. Okay, anyways, what was I doing? My eye makeup. We gonna do that voice. I don't know how well this is gonna turn out, just because the angle that I'm looking at right now, this side of my face doesn't have very good lighting. So we're just gonna see. I love you, and I wish that you could love me. There's a song that I found it on TikTok. It's called Unloved by Lyle Cam. This song right here, oh my fucking god. He has 100,000 streams. Oh my god, it's so good. Like, I'm dying, dude. Yes. I said it before, you've got all you wanted and more, but that doesn't make me happy, cause I'm bleeding out on the floor. Let's just drop this whole palette. I'm not sure what I'm doing. We're gonna try a pink look. We are going to try to do that. Oh, I'm going to try to do that. Like, we're gonna try to do something similar. I'm scared. Okay, I have colors. Like, it's not like I don't have colors. It's just I'm utterly and completely terrified to try to do something like that. But we're gonna try it. Okay, sure, dude. Do whatever the fuck you want to do. You know, it's your fucking life, man. Do what you want. Live how you fucking want. There's somebody here, bud. It's always ruining the videos. I swear to God. Why am I showing you the colors? You probably don't care. You're probably just here to watch me fuck up. That's what I would be here for. Why did I choose pink? Pink's not even my favorite color. Should have went purple. I think it's too late to change it now. Probably. You know, fuck it. We'll pink. Pink's the color. Pink is the color. And we are going with it. And we are going to continue going with it. I hate that dog. Yep. I'm gonna go close my door real quick. Okay, here we are because I forgot to press record. Looks like I have pink eye. We don't know what we're doing here, but we're gonna keep going. We're just gonna keep adding color to parts of my eyeball where I think color should be. I'm not a makeup artist. This isn't what I do. Not gonna lie, some of this pink looks a little red. I'm gonna try to soften that up. Putting a dark purple on to see if I can like darken up this corner. You know what I mean? Should I like pat that color on? I feel like I should. Let's just see what happens when I do. We're here experimenting. Okay, now I look like a clown. Oh my god, what did I do? We're just gonna work with it. Maybe it'll come together. It'll just come together. Good heavens, Amanda, what are you doing with your life? Now I'm just putting glitter on. Because why not? You know what I mean? Just have fun with it. You know? There we go. Ooh, whoopsie. That was a lot of glitter. So there's this thing that these e-girls tend to do where it's like they bring like the corners of their eyes in. And that looks weird on my eyeballs because I don't have a lot of space going on in between here. So we're not going to try to do that because I think it looks weird on me. So we're just not going to try it. I don't even know what I'm doing right now. Okay, moving on from that. We're going to do the eyeliner. And let me tell you, I don't have like crazy lashes or anything to put on. So I'm going to turn my camera off for this because this is going to be really hard. We got the eyeliner on. I'm not sure how I'm feeling about it. It's definitely just my eye shape that looks a little off. That was really hard. I don't know why. That took me like forever to do. So let me put the lashes on. Yeah, maybe lashes will make it look different. We'll see. I'm just going to put these little lashes on because that's literally all I have. Let's do my nose. I put a little too much on my nose. Oopsie. Alright, so I'm just gonna put this on my eyelid. Boom, motherfucker. I am losing it right now. My friend's boyfriend, he has an Oculus and he has Beat Saber on it. And let me tell you, that shit's a good ass workout if you're on like hard mode or expert and no fail. So you know, you're obviously not failing. But he got a bunch of BTS songs on there last night. Best believe I was fucking playing that shit. He had UGG. He had Run. What else did he have? Dope, Piped Piper, which was my favorite. On, which I only missed 2 notes on the entire time, but I was playing on hard. So what else was there? On Boy with Love, Dynamite, da na 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 na. Hey, what else did he have on there? It's just a bunch of BTS songs. You know what I mean? Run. I think I said Run already. I think I did my lashes correctly. We are just, you know, trucking along here. You know, we're just getting it. Making headway. Should I pick out an outfit? I'll wear a shirt. Just a shirt, nothing else. I see them wearing these like baggy pants. And let me just tell you, I have 3 pairs of these jogger like pants. And each pair is never, ever freaking baggy on me. And it makes me really upset because I'm really like sad about it. Because I want baggy ones. Let me just cover those up. Okay, and then we're gonna try to do my eyebrows. We're gonna try to do a little slitty thing in it. That sounds so weird. I'm trying to do the little slit in it. Am I blending out my foundation correctly? My neck's not matching. It's fine. I'm gonna make a TikTok after this. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm gonna be honest with you. I don't know what was happening here. I don't know what I thought I was doing. Boom. I don't know what that is, but we're gonna deal with it. What am I doing with my life? I don't know. We're gonna do my eyebrows now. This should be fun. I have a wide nose. I don't got a little nose. Mr. MGK posted his video for Forget Me Too, which is like one of my favorite songs off his newest album. I liked it. This is a good video. I don't think this works. I think my eyes are too big for this. Like, I don't know how to make my eyeballs even smaller. Should I wing out my eyeliner more? Okay, I think I winged this one out a little too far. We're gonna roll with it. We're rolling with it. We're rolling with it. I'm gonna do my eyebrows now. I'm just trying to figure out what we should do here. We gonna make these dummy thick. We gonna fill them in. Like, really fill them in. I haven't watched a makeup video in like forever. What do makeup gurus even talk about when they're putting on makeup? What they're putting on? I mean, obviously, but like, what do you just show what you're doing? I don't know what I'm doing. I think it's clear to me that my Anastasia brown pomade is a little dry. I keep thinking I like got eyeliner on my face and I'm like, what the fuck did I do here? I don't know what I'm doing right now. That's the best that we're gonna do. I have big eyes. Is that even? Like, I can't tell if that's even. I hope that's even. It's probably not even. Oh my god. Can you see I fucked up on it? But from a distance, you can't tell. Okay, so should I try to do this slit? Let's try to do this slit. I don't know how people do it. I'm just trying to think which way I would do it, but no, I'm not gonna do it. That's too much pressure on me. I'm not gonna do that. Okay, blush. Just give me only you in exchange for me. I don't have a little nose, so it's not gonna look as cute on my face. I'm just gonna use an eyeshadow because that was not enough color. This one. And then I'm gonna just like brush a little under here because, you know, why not? Ha! My nose looks really big and I'm not a fan of that. Everyone has bangs. Like, I don't know what, all of them have bangs. I don't have bangs. Here comes the kicker. I'm gonna line my lips. I'm gonna attempt to overline them. Then this isn't gonna go well. I know it's not gonna go well, but we're gonna try.
Right
I did not do a good job. Oopsie. This little piece right here, it just won't color, you know? Like it just won't go. I got little lips. I'm not sorry about it. So, now that I have that down, should we put bangs on? Okay, my clip-in bangs are not the same color as my hair, so I didn't put them in. So we're just gonna have to deal with this hair. But anyways, I think I'm done. Let me put on my shirt that I picked out and the choker because it's cool. So I got my wrap line shirt on. That was the closest that I could find to anything that would be, you know, e-girl-like, right? Put this thing on. My voice sounded really deep there, like corpse husband. Just kidding. Okay, that one doesn't need to go in there. Oh my god, that's a little tight. Oh my god, that's a little tight. What's good, bitch? That's it. I think I failed at this. Don't look like an e-girl. Oh well, I'm still gonna film that TikTok. Thanks for watching and sitting through this. This is really awkward. I'm sorry. Thanks for watching. My battery's about to die. Perfect timing. Don't forget to stay loopy. Stay safe out there, motherfuckers. And I love you guys. See you next time. Bye.